2021 we have 6,400. Dengue cases here and there in some corporation areas, particularly the collector of Visakhapatnam, because it is an endemic for malaria also, sir. The attack of the dengue control, sir. These are as per the instructions of the Honorable Chief Minister, sir. Twice a week, on Monday and Thursday, we have the aerosol spray operations are in progress in the district, sir. So Visakhapatnam, Vijayanagar, Srikakulam, East Godavari, waterborne diseases, and also the waterborne diseases, sir, the sensitivity of the commissioner to the collector, sir. So I request all the collectors to kindly go through those details seriously and take stock of the situation on a weekly basis, so that wherever necessary, I will send to all the houses in order to ensure that people are made aware of the risk of dengue and as to how not to allow water, the drinking water and the other potable water in the household items which is stored here and there, sir. Having case by name, location, etc. is tracked and information is given to the collectors to ensure that activities are taken up in the surrounding area, so as to ensure that the information will available is up to date, sir. Otherwise, we are on track, sir. After 2 months, the collector is in position or protocol in position. The collectors just need to deeply monitor it, sir. That's it. Thank you.
That review meeting with your 9 departments, so that the message that you are serious about this topic is actually taken to the grassroots. So the కొంచెం ధ్యాస పెట్టమండి. Coming to NREGS works, దీనికి సంబంధించి you did not mention that the progress has been extremely good. No doubt the last few days though we had a little bit of difficulty on the payments front. There's no doubt about it. కారణం ఏంటంటే గత ప్రభుత్వం బకాయిలు పెట్టిపోయిన NREGS పేమెంట్స్ను మనం కట్టాల్సిన పరిస్థితి రావడం. So approximately at 1,500 crores of those dues also were added to our current flow of works. So because of that, there has been slight amount of delay. But the good aspect is, the positive aspect is, all these works to funds of central government నుంచి మనం రావాల్సినవి కూడా ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి ఒక రోజు అటు ఇటుగా things will fall in line. So that being said, please focus on the works, especially these building works. It will be very, very important. Because గ్రామం రూపురేఖలన్నీ కూడా మార్చిపోయే వ్యవస్థను మనం క్రియేట్ చేస్తాం. Because of the water staggering that takes place, all these factors put together during this rainy season would also lead to other seasonal diseases.
Sir, I'm happy to inform the Honorable Chief Minister and the Gathering, sir, that today we don't have any district where weekly positivity is even about 4%, sir. All districts, sir, they have weekly positivity less than that. In fact, only 2 districts have been regained and retained. It's very important that you retain that focus, especially owning up 104 and setting up of these PSA plans would coming up in every hospital of government. Every government hospital of PSA plans are coming up. But you also need to monitor the progress of PSA plans coming up in the private sector also. Especially 100 beds and above. అక్కడ ఖచ్చితంగా PSA plant ఉండడము, D-type cylinders ఉండడము, oxygen cylinders availabilityలో ఉండడము, oxygen concentrators available ఉండడము, especially these private hospitals. So వాటి మానిటరింగ్ కూడా జాగ్రత్తగా చూసుకోవాల్సిన అవసరం ఉంది, because they will also play a very important role in the days to come, if at all the numbers were to increase. So please don't ignore that aspect. And as far as vaccination is concerned, so far 1,90,93,476 people have been vaccinated. It actually means that above the age of 18,
approximately 3.5 crore people unnaru anukunte, we are currently standing at 1 crore 90 lakhs 93,476 people. Where at least one dose has been given. Both the doses Tuesday 72 lakhs 18,532. So both the doses ichina vallu 72 lakhs 18,532 people unte, one dose ichina vallu 1 crore 18 lakhs 74,944. At least one dose ichina vallu. So both put together we're talking about 1 crore 90 lakhs 93,476 people. So by and large, the 1 crore 18 lakhs who have at least been given one dose, they would have to graduate into second dose. At least 80% of the Janabaku vaccination, both the doses complete ayyedaka, we will have to be on alert mode. It's very, very important. So please focus on vaccination. As and when, of course, we have a confinement, where as and when they give, central government allots us the quota. As and when we get that quota, only then we can administer this vaccination. The only thing is, please ensure that there is no wastage in this process. Now that we've crossed almost 90% plus in the category of 45 and above, 45 years and above. Now that we've crossed that yardstick of 90% plus. So now let's focus on vaccinating 18 to 44 years of age also, but do it in a systematic way where every Sachivalayam, be it gram or ward, Gramama or ward, take one Sachivalayam as one unit and make sure that once you target that Sachivalayam, everybody is vaccinated, every house is vaccinated. So that way you can tick off the Sachivalayam as 100% done. So that you also will ensure that there is zero wastage there. So once you take the vaccination there, you're going to complete that Sachivalayam. And of course, you'll also be dealing with that leftover 45 and above. Sometimes 4%, sometimes 5%, sometimes only 90% that way. So that balance of that 10% wherever they are there, those people also will be covered. So that you need to do it in a slightly organized manner, because we've finished 45 and above past 90% stage, and now we're targeting 44 to 18. So please make sure that the wastage of vaccination doesn't take place while you're doing this process.
So I would request the collectors to kindly plan it thoroughly, whether they take up the urban secretariats or the rural secretariats where there is a higher positivity still. However, saturation about is first is what we have informed all the collectors, and we have also informed them that from now onwards they will be informing me daily as to how many secretariats they have covered under the saturation approach. Sir, to give a brief overview of the diseases, seasonal disease scenario currently prevalent in the state, sir. On an annual comparative basis, sir, if we see for 33 weeks, like the week ending the previous Sunday, on a year-to-year basis, sir, if we see malaria, for instance, sir, in the year 2019, for 33 weeks, we had 1767 cases. Last year in 2020, in 33 weeks, we had 1669 cases. But this year, in 2021, in 33 weeks, we have had only 1021 cases of malaria, sir. Spray operations are being carried out are communicated to the collectors. So if they are in touch with their entire teams and ensure that the action as directed by the government is taken, that should suffice, sir. Similarly, sir,
the kind of satisfaction that one gets when you immediately see in that village, Grama Sachivalayam building, wherein you have more than 12 people seated there, volunteers to every 50 houses, hand-holding people and getting services done. And 4 steps in the same village, if one were to pass, you will also see an English medium school. Another 4 steps in the same very village, if you were to pass, you will see a village clinic there And another 4 steps you were to pass in the same village, you will see an RBK in that village itself. And another 4 steps you pass in the same very village, you will also see a digital library. And another 4 steps in that very same village, you will also see an English medium foundation school in the name of pre-primary school as well. And of course, AMCUs and BMCUs, bulk and cooling units. But these actually give a facelift to the village. The environment within the village is totally facelifted. So వీటికి సంబంధించిన works కి సంబంధించి please make sure that the progress of the work అనేది ఎక్కడా కూడా తగ్గకుండా please motivate the people down there. So these kind of payment issues are not something that will last. Within the next 15 days, we will make sure that all these payment details are addressed. Yes, I'm getting some more money from central government, and the moment those funds come in, they through with these problems.